Welcome to our guide on maximizing your trading profits. Today, we'll explore the top trading tools for 2025 and how they can significantly enhance your trading strategies. As we look towards 2025, the trading landscape is evolving rapidly. New technologies and tools are emerging, making trading more accessible and efficient. Our first tool is advanced charting software. It provides real-time analysis and visualizations that are crucial for making informed decisions quickly. Next, we have AI-powered trading bots. These innovative tools automate your trading strategies, allowing for efficient execution without the need for constant monitoring. Sentiment analysis tools help traders gauge market perceptions and trends. By analyzing social media and news, you can stay ahead of market moves. Comprehensive risk management software is essential for protecting your investments. It offers insights into potential risks and helps in formulating risk mitigation strategies. Finally, mobile trading apps empower traders to make decisions on the go, allowing for quick adjustments and monitoring anytime, anywhere. Let's look at some case studies. Many successful traders have leveraged these tools effectively, achieving impressive results and outperforming the market. Here are some tips for integrating these tools into your trading strategy. Start small, test their effectiveness, and progressively increase their use as you gain confidence. As we conclude, it's essential to stay informed about future trends in trading tools. Continuous improvement and adaptation will keep you ahead in the trading game.